So I first got to sample Amber Absolutely at Pitti in Florence in 2017. Fast forward to today, Amber Absolutely has a brand new label, as you can see here. It's more of an amber colored label because after all, Amber Absolutely is an amber fragrance. I'm going to review Amber Absolutely for you, plus discuss an appearance that Rasei will be doing at Luckyscent Scent Bar, where I'll be at as well, and some giveaways galore for Amber Absolutely. So if you're curious to find out all about this, please stick around. Thanks so much for tuning in. This is Sebastian with Smelling Great Fragrance Reviews. If this is your first time on this channel and you love watching fragrance reviews, finding out about new fragrances, discovering new brands, participating in giveaways, and still haven't subscribed to the channel, please click that subscribe button below and also click the bell so you'll be notified for future videos and giveaways. And yes, there is a new label for Amber Absolutely, but before I get to the review, I do want to mention that Rasei of Fort Manle will be making an appearance at Luckyscent's Scent Bar this coming Saturday the 13th from 11 to 1, where I'll be there as well for the launch of 40 Thieves. So if you're curious to learn about 40 Thieves and or other Fort Manle fragrances and you're around nearby, stop in to discover the new fragrance, of course, and of course the entire line, and including Amber Absolutely. But I also want to mention that this fragrance, Amber Absolutely, the bottle, was sent to me for this review, but I specifically asked for it as I wanted to review this one, and I love this one because I love amber fragrances. Ever since I smelled it at Pitti last year, I fell in love with it. So finally, we're going to review it for you. So this was launched in 2016. It comes in EDP or Eau de Parfum concentration. A 50 ml bottle like this is $190, and of course the perfumer is Rasei. If you want to find out more information about Amber Absolutely, please click the link to Luckyscent in the info box. Go there, discover the fragrance, perhaps buy some samples or a full bottle. But for notes in Amber Absolutely, at the top you've got plum and black currant. In the heart you've got rose. In the base notes you've got musk, amber, benzoin, cedarwood, vetiver, and labdanum. So this is a one-of-a-kind amber, and it's for the amber lover that wants multiple styles of amber fragrances. I'm a big fan of amber fragrances, and most of my amber fragrances tend to go on the sweeter side, more syrupy, sweeter, molasses kind of all come to mind because ambers tend to go that direction. But what we have here is more on the savory side. Even though it has the sweet notes, like perhaps the plum at the top gives it a sweet vibe, the benzoin in the base gives it a sweet vibe, and the rose perhaps could give it a sweet vibe, and the blackcurrant of course. But other than that, the rest of the fragrance is more on the savory side. The only amber fragrance that comes to mind is Tower Perfume's L'Herbe de Desert Marocaine, which is a dry, dusty, slightly spicy amber fragrance. And it's in that direction rather than the more syrupy direction, as I said. At the top, the fragrance starts off with the plum and the blackcurrant. For me, the plum is more dominant at the top than the blackcurrant, so it takes over. In the heart, the rose kind of kicks in, and you do have a little bit of a floral touch, a rosy, slightly sweet rosy touch at the heart. But while you're smelling the rose, you're starting to get whiffs of what's developing in the base. And for me, the fragrance comes alive in the base here. It's all about the base notes, because even though the plum is dominant at the top and the rose is pretty dominant in the heart, for me, it all develops and comes together in the base. It does get musky, and the amber kicks in along with that labdanum. Benzoin sweetens up what sweetness there is with the fragrance. And I think the fragrance could have gone really sweet, but it doesn't, because what kind of goes in the savory direction is what the vetiver and the cedarwood does to the fragrance. It tones down the sweetness. So a unique experience for an amber, and one that I don't have too many of in my collection. And it was one that I was longing for. I wanted some that went not too sweet, because as I said, ambers can get really, really sweet, and this one definitely does not. This one also has the Fort Manle DNA. You can definitely pick it up there. Several of their fragrances, I can definitely pick up the DNA, but this is its own unique creation. It's nothing like other fragrances. It's just once you get to familiarize yourself with the DNA of a brand, let's say for example the Tower out in Tower Perfumes, as I keep bringing it up, you get to recognize the DNA here. So it's pretty prominent and I can pick it up. The other thing I want to mention is this is kind of sort of hinting at Amber Absolute from Tom Ford. Definitely nothing like Amber Absolute. So if you love Amber Absolute, you're in for a surprise here because it's nothing like that. Amber Absolute is a spicy, sweeter amber. I love it, don't get me wrong. Here again, it's more savory. This is a darker, less bright amber, a little more darker, a little more muted, but very, very potent and musky amber. One of a kind amber, so check it out. If you don't know Amber Absolutely, it's a must, especially if you're a fan of Fort Manle fragrances or if you're a fan of indie niche perfumery, and also if you're a fan of amber fragrances and you're craving new styles of amber fragrances, because this one's definitely on the other side of the amber fragrances that are very popular out there. So to find out more information, I said there's a link in the info box. Click the link and go there to find out. And also we have the giveaways. We have 2 giveaways to do. We have a full bottle to give away on Instagram, and I'll have a link to Instagram post. You can go there and participate in the giveaway there. On the channel, we have 5 samples to give away. 5 samples to 5 subscribers of this channel. All you have to do is put a comment down and let me know what your favorite amber fragrance is. Also, let me know what do you like about the sound of Amber Absolutely and what you liked about this review. And then please put your state. This is only open to USA residents. Both giveaways are USA only, please. Good luck with the giveaway. Also, if you're around, as I said, in the LA area, Hollywood, LA, Beverly Hills, please stop into Scent Bar for the launch of 40 Thieves, where Rasei, the perfumer of Fort Manle, will be there. And as I said, I will be there as well, so I hope to see you there. Other than that, let me know your thoughts on Fort Manle's Amber Absolutely. Have you tried it? Are you curious to try it? Do you own it? Love it? Just let me know. Put some comments down. Let's get a conversation started. Also, please like this video. Please share it. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And I'll be back with more videos very soon. Have a good one. Goodbye.